Okay, today we study quite a lot of detail in ABAP screens and structures. How do we create structures? We'll cover that very much in detail. So we have three types of screen: selection, listing, normal screen. Parameters create selection screen because we select input, we capture input, and that is captured at the selection screen. Right statement creates listing screens, and normal screens are designed by ABAPer, where we have multiple module integration transactions that need to be cloned, or we need to proxy some of the T codes or over the web to run the SAP T codes over the internet, over the NetWeaver protocols. So um, let's copy this code. It ET74 data structures one create structures. Okay. Data vMatrix type matrix. The matrix is material description. Parameters pre-matner type matner obligatory. Now this is basically we cannot leave this empty. It has to be given some data, initialized data. Okay. At position 5, we have material number. At 25, we have material description. Select matrix up to 1 rows from MAKT into vMatrix, where matner is equal to p-matner. Based on this condition, matrix from MAKT will be loaded into vMatrix, and we'll write it. Okay, check, activate. Direct processing. Execute. Okay, material number and material description. So obligatory actually produces this star. Okay. LP9FG when it produces description. And now we actually change our syntax a little bit. Okay. Part one. Select matrix from getting to vMatrix, where matner is equal to p-matner. Oh, we had up to 1 rows. Okay. Now we have removed that up to 1 rows. Now select matrix description from this table and load it into vMatrix when matner material number is matching with p-matner, that is parameters. Activate. Direct processing. Execute. It is actually producing, that is also producing the rows. So how do we define structures? We define structures like this. Data vMacText type MacText. Part 1. vMacText type MacText. Data begin of WA-Mact. Now Mact is a table, and WA means here work area, and ST for structures. So WMact is a structure with two fields in it, and those two fields are pras, types pras, MacText type MacText, end of WMact. This is how we actually create structures. Okay, we can actually move this above this. Okay, the rest of the data can actually follow. Types begin of TY-Mact. This is again a structure, TY-Mact, and this is work area Mact, pras MacText. Cross MacText will have to actually deactivate because it's the same thing. It's the same structure again. Okay. Data vMacText type MacText. WMac type TY-Mact. Now, we're also defining TY-Mact and defining WMact. We don't need WMact because we are defining WMact separately. Okay, because it will copy TY-Mact. So TY actually symbolizes type over here. Okay, let's go and check MAKT first before we can actually process this. Okay. And part activate SC11. SC11 MAKT display. Okay, we have material number, language description, uppercase description. Okay, and client material number. Environment, data browser, table contents, execute. We have these many tables, these many records, and this client. Okay. Now, this is what we can actually produce. Now, next part of the code is, we have already seen this. Structures store one value at a time. Now, this is basically a new program, but let's actually run this one. Okay,